What's up, guys? I'll be switching the ECU. So the ECU now, it's gonna be running as the stock ECU, but the ECU I'm gonna put on is gonna be the racing ECU. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoy, and let's get to it. The battery is dead. Rain check. And then the ECU, the Ducati A48 is right over here. Just gotta remove these two screws and then unplug it and you should be good. All right, so the way to remove the ECU, there's two bolts, 5mm Allen. Just take those bolts out. One. And it comes right out. And then on the one on the right, there's a ground wire, so don't forget to put that back once you put the new ECU in. Just turn it on its side like this. Two tabs on each side, so you press that down. I'm just gonna use the Allen key. You press that down. And just turn this like this, and it comes right out. You do that on both sides. And that's the stock ECU right there. I have the racing ECU from Ducati. Comes with this protective piece. And then you can pop this out and then just put it back. Now you just reverse the process and put the racing ECU back. And it clips both sides. And just put it back in place. And just put the two screws back and you are all set. And then make sure you bring it to a tune place so they can tune it specific for your bike. And that's what I'm gonna do after I finish the build. Make sure it's snug it, and that's how you change your ECU. And then once you plug it in, if you turn on the bike, it should say A48 Evo E Racing. So this ECU was mapped for the slip-on for the Termi. And I have a slip-on Zard, so we're gonna see how that goes. But that's how you change your ECU on a Ducati A48 Evo. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video.